This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carole Gonzalez. Buy this beautiful home 1.85 of an acre in West Melbourne. This split floor plan has vaulted ceilings, new AC system, tiled floors in main living areas, carpet in bedrooms, an open floor plan, granite countertops, master walk-in closets, French doors to exterior, eat-in kitchen bar top, black appliances, inside laundry, screened-in porch, RV/boat space, and a fenced yard. Quiet county living while being close to shops, restaurants, parks and schools. For more information, review the details below.